Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor. Here on YouTube we solve technical drawing problems, and we also provide important information that will help you in doing well in your technical drawing exams. So if you are watching my video for the first time, you are welcome. And if you are a technical drawing student, I will advise you subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And help me to share my video with your friends who are also technical drawing students. And the most important thing that is here is for you to practice. It's very, very important to practice so that you can master it. Now, this is the problem that I want to solve here, and this question has to do with the intersection of a cylinder and a frustum of a cone, as you can see on the screen. But the instruction here says that the figure below shows the elevation of a cylinder penetrated by the frustum of a cone. Draw the curve of interpenetration of the solids. Now, looking at what we have here, the height of the cylinder is 80 millimeters and diameter is 50 millimeters. Now, for the frustum of cone, the smaller part here, the diameter of this smaller part, or the circular base of the frustum, the diameter is 24 millimeters, while the diameter of the larger circular part is 50 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 35 millimeters. So we are going to make use of this given information to answer the question, as we are asked to draw the curve of interpenetration of the solids. Now, the first thing that you need to do, which I've done here, is to draw a vertical center line. Draw a vertical center line and draw a horizontal center line. Then draw the circular base of the cylinder, whose diameter is 50 millimeters. It means that the radius is 25 millimeters, and that's what I've done here. So after you have drawn the circle, the next thing is draw a horizontal line here, like this. Draw a horizontal line here, and then from this point here, from this point, draw a vertical line like this. Here also, draw a vertical line like this. The height of the cylinder is 80 millimeters. Take a measurement of 80 millimeters. So draw the horizontal line here. Okay, then from the base of the cylinder here, take 40 millimeters up, because the vertical center line of the cylinder and the horizontal center line of the frustum, they intersect at a right angle. So therefore, draw a horizontal line here, horizontal center line here. Okay, so next thing that we need to do is that take a measurement of 35 millimeters from here to here. This is 35 millimeters. So here, draw a vertical center line from up here. So draw it down to this place. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is that take a measurement of 25 millimeters on your ruler with your compass, as you know that the larger diameter of the circular base of the frustum is 50 millimeters. So put the big point of the compass here, draw a semicircle like this, and divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts. Divide into 6 equal parts. Okay, you put it here and draw this. So put it here and draw this. So do the same thing down here. So draw a semicircle like this, then divide into 6 equal parts. So put it here. So you draw this and you draw this, then put it at this point here and you draw this arc like this. Alright, so with what we have done here, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so you join this point, so join it together with the center here, join this also with the center here, and then so join this point with the center here, and this point also join it with the center here. Alright, so do the same thing down here. So join this with the center. So join this point with the center here. So this point also join it with the center, and then join this point with the center here. Okay, so now with what we have done here, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to number this. So I'll call this 0. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So here is also 2. Sorry, okay, sorry, this is 1. This is 1. Okay, so this is 2, and this is 3. So here we alternate the numbering. So this will be 3 now. So this is 2, this is 1, and this is 0. This is 2, this is 1, and this is 0. So then, so here is 1. Okay, so with what we have done here, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we take a measurement. So from this point here, from this point, because we have that the diameter of the smaller circular part of the frustum is 24. So divide 24 by 2, that is 12. So take a measurement of 12 millimeters down from the center here and take 12 millimeters up here. Okay, then we do the same thing here. So I will need to extend this line for me to be able to do that. So from this point here, take 12 millimeters down and 12 millimeters up. Okay, so from this point, so draw a line from this point 0 here. So draw a line passing through this point, and it goes like this. So do the same thing from here. So draw a line like this. Okay, now so join this point together with this point here where these lines intersect. So join this point together with this. So you join this point too. So join it together with this. Then do the same thing with this one. So join this together with this. And then so you join this also together with this point like this. Okay, then we do the same thing here. So from this point 3 here, so draw a line passing through this point like this. So do the same thing from here. So draw a line like this, and then from this point 2, so draw a line meeting it here from point 1. From point 1, draw this line meeting it here, and also from point 2 down here. So draw a line meeting it here from point 1 here. So draw a line meeting it here. Alright, so looking at what we have done here, so I need to make some parts. I need to thicken some parts. So starting from the cylinder here, I'll make this line a thick line from here to here, and then for this one, from here to here will be a thick line, and from here to here will be a thick line. Then the base part here will be a thick line. Also this will be a thick line here. Then this line also, I have to make it a thick line. So I make this a thick line. Likewise, this line will be a thick line from here to here, and then this line will also be a thick line from here to here. Likewise, this line from here to here will be a thick line. So this line, I will make it a thick line from here to here, and this line will also be made a thick line from here to here. Alright, so now the next thing that we are going to do now is to produce the curve of interpenetration on the front elevation. So with what we have here, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so take your set square. If you look at this line, this is line 3, this is line 3. So if you go on this line, vertical line 3, and this line 3, they intersect here. So they intersect at this point. Also, it intersects it at this point. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that this is line 2, like this. So you touch the circle at this point. So from this point here, from this point where the line 2 touch the circle, so you draw a vertical line meeting. Okay, so draw a vertical line from here. It goes like this. So this line that we have drawn, it meets line 2 at this point here. It meets it here. So it meets it here. Okay, then we also have line 1. So line 1, this line 1, it meets the circle at this point here. So draw a vertical line from this point. Draw a vertical line from here. So it goes like this. So they intersect here, and they intersect here. The last one is 0. So this is the point. So draw a vertical line from here. Okay, so they intersect at this point here. So having gotten this this point, so we are going to join this point together with the use of a French curve. With the use of a French curve, I need to get my French curve. So then, so I'm going to join this together like this. Okay, so I need to join this together. So it goes like this. Here is it. Okay, so that's it. So this is the curve interpenetration that we are asked to produce. As simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice, and don't assume that you cannot have a question like this. This particular component exists in engineering, mostly in mechanical engineering and agricultural engineering. We have a machine that have something like this, that have the combination of something like this that we use in engineering for production. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening, and don't forget to practice. It's very, very important. Thank you and God bless you.